In this video, I'm gonna share with you a simple strategy that I use on a daily basis, and I hope you're gonna like it. So let's jump into the video right now. So it is pretty simple, guys, very simple. What I came to realize, most new traders, they overcomplicate things and then they end up not getting anything. So for me, what I do, just draw a line on the support level. You can see these are the levels here. So I just drew this line on the support level, and also I draw the line on the resistance level, and I do this before. You can see that this is the past market. I do this before it even happened. Like here, I'm gonna do it here. You're gonna see what will happen. So I do it earlier, and then guys, what I do after drawing this, let's say the market is like here, that's when I do this, when the market is here, for example, and then the market is like this, and if it goes up, most people, when it's like here, most people, they just buy. Okay, they just assume that the market is going up and they buy. But for me, what I do, I just wait, because most of the time, like 90% of the time, the market when it's about to go up, it just goes up, and then it calm down before it take its way. So what I do when the market bypass this resistance level, I just wait, and then it come back. You can see that it came back a little bit, just come back a little bit, and then after retracing, it's just go back. So after this second candle close, that's when I get in, and then I put my stop loss here. Okay, and then my take profit will be times 2. So from here to here, so I just do times 2, and most of the time I'm right. I'm not right every day, but most of the time I'm right. So you can see that it's the case here. Even if you check here, let me zoom back. Even if yesterday I did the same thing, guys, and it worked perfectly. I drew a line, the same thing here. Okay, at the resistance level, at the support level, and also at the support level, and also at the resistance level. And then you see that the market is versatile, or it's quite the same. If it comes down like this, you don't just assume that it's gonna sell. You just wait. You wait. You can see that it came up to here, and then when it came back. But for those who don't know, when the market come till here, they assume that the market is going down, and then they sell. Okay, they sell. They put a stop loss maybe at somewhere here, maybe, and then I take profits maybe here, and you see that it's go back. So most of the time, the market, when it's go to this way or that way, it has to come back first before it. So you need a confirmation. So you see that it went like this up to here. I waited, and then it's came back like this, and then I entered at this level here, this level, and then I did times 2 as always. The stop loss was somewhere here, and then I do times 2, like this level, times 2. So it's like 1, 2, so somewhere here. And if you do like this, at least 50% you're right. And in trading, if you can be right 50%, then you can be profitable. Yeah, if you can be 50% right, then you can be profitable, because you know that you make sure each and every time when you place a stop loss, it will be like this level, and then take profit double or you triple, which means if you fail 5 times and you gain 5 times, you are in profit. So this is a good strategy that helped me on a daily basis. So like here, let me just draw it, and you're gonna see what I do, guys. Let me just like here, you see that there's a resistance. It's just here. So I'm gonna draw a line over there. I'm gonna draw a line just here, here, and this is the resistance level, and I'm gonna draw another line at the support level, just here, somewhere here, so that this is the this support level, see, and now you can see that what the market is doing right now, it is coming back. See that it went back, now it's coming down. So in case it's just come like this, I will not assume that I'm gonna sell. No, I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna wait when it retraces like this, okay, and then it decide to come back. That's when I will decide to get in, okay. And in case it comes like this, then you see that I always wait that it's come back. If it comes back like this and it decide to keep going up, I'll just wait. Sometimes keep doing things like this. If it decide to just go up like this and this, also I'm not gonna assume that it's gonna go up and then buy. No. I'll just wait for it to come back like this, see, and then if it said to go up, and then I can easily see, and then I see that buyers are aggressive compared to the sellers. That's when I jump in, and most of the time I told you that I'm right 50%, and that's more than enough. Sometimes I'm right 60%, 50%, even with 40% can make good money. Yeah. If it's up or down, it is the same strategy. But the point is, when you see the market coming like this under the support level, do not assume that the market is going down. You need to wait for the retracement. You need to come back first, and then if it's decide to come down again, that will be a confirmation that that buyers are weak. Buyers are not gonna make it. Then you sell. And if you do this, believe me, you'll be right at least 50% of the time. At least 50% of the time. Before I started utilizing this strategy, it was pretty impossible for me to be profitable consistently. But with this strategy, it's work like magic. Thank you very much for watching the video to the end. I hope you learned something from it, and do not forget to check the video description below to see my recommendations. And if you're not part of my YouTube family already, don't go without subscribing and clicking the like button so that the video can reach other people who are looking for such information. And I'm gonna see you in my next video.